To set up a PayPal business account for Shopify, start by going to the PayPal website and clicking on Sign Up. Select Business Account and fill out the required information, including your business name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide your business address and contact information. Once you have created your PayPal business account, you will need to verify your email address and add a bank account to your profile. This will allow you to receive payments from your customers and transfer them to your bank account. Next, go to your Shopify store and navigate to the Payment Providers section. Click on Add Payment Provider and select PayPal from the list of available options. You will be prompted to enter your PayPal email address and password to connect your PayPal account to your Shopify store. After connecting your PayPal account, you will need to set up your PayPal payment settings. This includes selecting the payment methods you want to accept, such as credit cards or PayPal payments, and setting up your payment preferences, such as currency and transaction fees. It is also important to configure your PayPal account settings to ensure that you are compliant with PayPal's terms of service and to minimize the risk of account limitations or suspensions. This includes verifying your business identity and providing required documents, such as a business license or tax ID number. To test your PayPal payment setup, go to your Shopify store and create a test order. Select PayPal as the payment method and complete the checkout process. This will ensure that your PayPal account is properly connected to your Shopify store and that payments are being processed correctly. By following these steps, you can easily set up a PayPal business account for your Shopify store and start accepting payments from your customers. It is also a good idea to review PayPal's fees and terms of service to ensure that you understand the costs and requirements associated with using their services.